I like to try to give back to the community by being involved in various organizations. For the last 15 to 17 years, I've been very involved in Boy Scouts, both at the Cub Scout and Boy Scout levels, as both of my boys have progressed through to Eagle Scout. I'm also very involved at my church, both teaching religious education on Sunday mornings and being involved in various committees such as the Finance Committee and assisting with festival. I decided to become a CPA following in the footsteps of certain family members. I had an uncle and a cousin who were already CPAs, so it was sort of the family business. I had taken finance courses and was keeping the books for my dad's construction business and really enjoyed the accounting work that I was doing there. My favorite part about my job is getting out and working directly with the clients. I spend a lot of time at their offices working with them directly on a one-to-one basis. I have a lot of manufacturing clients, also some construction clients, and I enjoy seeing what's going on at their businesses. One of the things I do is go to a client's office at the end of each month and help them reconcile their books in order to prepare their financial statements for the end of the month. I enjoy sitting down with the clients and helping them understand those financial statements and the impact it has upon their business.